Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Trying to withdraw your money from Robinhood in 2025, but it's not letting you? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll explain why withdrawals may be blocked and how to fix it fast. Let's get started. Reason 1. Funds are still settling. If you just sold stocks or crypto, Robinhood places a settlement hold. This can take up to 2 business days for stocks and up to 5 for crypto. Just give it time. The money needs to clear before withdrawal. Reason 2. Bank account not verified. If your linked bank account is not verified, withdrawals will fail. Go to Settings, Linked Accounts, and ensure your bank is fully verified via microdeposits or Plaid. Reason 3. Instant deposit restriction. If you used instant deposit to fund a trade, Robinhood might restrict the amount you can withdraw until that amount officially clears. Only your settled funds are withdrawable. Reason 4. Recent password or account changes. For security, Robinhood places a temporary withdrawal freeze after changes like password reset, bank account changes, enabling 2FA. You may need to wait 24 to 72 hours before transferring money. Reason 5. Technical issues or account flags. Sometimes back-end errors or security reviews can block withdrawals. If you suspect this, contact Robinhood support through the app immediately. That's it. Now you know why your money might be stuck and how to unlock it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more clear tutorials on Robinhood and crypto in 2025. Thanks for watching.